Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Loiley Drone and the Istone 5 drone. Let's see which one will make you the aerial ace, and which one will crash and burn, figuratively of course. Alright, let's start with the thing that makes our wallets cry. The price. The Loiley Drone comes in at a budget-friendly $99, while the Istone 5 will set you back $119. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, Loiley's your guy. But hey, maybe the Istone 5 has something up its propellers to justify that extra cash. Let's find out. Now onto user-friendly features. Loiley promises to be perfect for beginners and children, with one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. It's like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car, minus the existential dread. On the Istone side, we've got some beginner-friendly settings too, like headless mode, one key start landing, and hand gesture photo/video. Both drones seem to have your back if you're prone to crashing into trees or your neighbor's cat. Reviewers say the Loiley Drone is incredibly user-friendly and versatile, perfect for beginners and kids. Meanwhile, some users have struggled with the Istone 5's controls and found it lacking clear instructions. Next up, let's talk cameras. The Loiley Drone boasts an HD 1080p camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle. It's like having your own personal aerial paparazzi capturing your best angles. Plus, it has Wi-Fi real-time transmission for instant sharing. On the other hand, the Istone 5 also sports a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree remote control adjustable lens. It even offers real-time panoramic views. However, reviewers have noted that the Istone 5's video quality can be inconsistent and grainy, while the Loiley Drone's camera is considered decent for its price. Now, let's talk portability. The Loiley Drone is so compact and lightweight, you can fold it up and fit it in your pocket or backpack. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, minus the corkscrew. Istone 5 is no slouch either. With its foldable design, it can easily slip into your pocket, making it the James Bond of drones. Reviewers seem to appreciate the portability of both drones, making them convenient for travel. Battery life. Because nobody wants their drone to die mid-flight. The Loiley Drone gives you about 25 to 30 minutes of fly time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. Not bad for a mini drone, right? Istone 5 matches that with up to 30 minutes of flight time, also powered by 2 rechargeable batteries. So whether you're filming a scenic sunset or spying on your neighbors, just kidding, don't do that. You've got plenty of airtime. Reviewers generally appreciate the battery life on both drones, making them suitable for extended flights. Finally, let's check out the extras. Loiley comes with propeller guards, spare fan blades, and offers 24-hour technical support. They really want to make sure you don't crash and burn, literally. Istone 5, however, offers a detailed manual and a carrying case. It's like getting a drone and a personal assistant rolled into one. Plus, those brushless motors promise a quieter flight, so you won't sound like a swarm of angry bees. According to reviews, the Loiley Drone's extra features and support are well received, while the Istone 5 has been criticized for its quality and lack of reliable support. Overall, reviews suggest that the Loiley Drone is a fantastic choice for beginners and those on a budget, offering a good balance of features and ease of use. On the other hand, the Istone 5 has received mixed reviews, with some users praising its features but others criticizing its build quality and performance. So, there you have it. The Loiley Drone and the Istone 5 drone going head-to-head. Loiley is your budget-friendly, user-friendly option, perfect for beginners and kids. On the flip side, Istone SF5 offers a bit more tech and a quieter experience, but at a higher price. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.